One of the most highly recommended affordable buffet in Metro Manila is Guevara's by Chef Laudico. Located at P. Guevara Street in San Juan, Metro Manila. Old house style yung restaurant nila kaya it gives a comforting traditional Filipino vibe sa mga food na ino-offer nila. Plus points na required mag-mask and alcohol pag kukuha sa buffet. Yung roast beef, lechon, and this crispy bacon bagnet yung pinaka-favorites ko that day. Ang lambot ng roast beef nila, masarap yung timpla. Okay na okay, and yung bagnet sobrang crunchy. We also like this Angus beef tapa, meron din silang ribs. They also have chicken inasal, grilled fish. Kumuha na rin ako ng paella para may rice. And medyo naparami ako ng kuha nitong inihaw na pusit. Pag pupunta kayo dito, unahin nyo yung grilled area kasi masarap lahat. If you have balikbayan friends and relatives, I'm sure magugustuhan nila dito. Kasi karamihan ng ino-offer nila dito, Filipino dishes. Na-impress kami ni Hubby kasi quality lahat ng natikman namin. Look, they have kalyos, beef caldereta, chili crabs, ang aking favorite na hipon. Hindi ko alam tong KBL. Kare-kare. They also have maki. This is tuna. Amazing kasi yung iba may Filipino twist like chicken inasal maki and lechon maki. Yung nasa top niya at chara, masarap to. Sarap nitong lumpiang ubod, nakailang balik ako dyan. Ang dami ding salad options pero hindi na ako magpapanggap. Meat eater ako that day. Fried tahong na may bechamel sa loob. Fried dumpling and siomai. Ang dami din nilang pizza options pero isa lang yung tinikman ko. Hawig siya ng lasa ng 3M. They also have camaron rebasado, kwek-kwek, sarap to. And more pizza. Mukhang masasarap din yung breads nila. They have ube ensaymada, Pinoy breads like pan de regla, pan de coco, and pandesal. May mga spreads din. Soup options are bachoy and seafood bisque. I chose the seafood bisque. Ang sarap, ang daming tahong. Dessert naman tayo, may mini piyaya sila. Ang sarap niya, crunchy piyaya, tas dinip ko sa vanilla ice cream. Kakaiba din to, kalabasa pastillas. Meron ding leche flan. Nagustuhan ko yung buko panda nila. Ang sarap din ng champorado, deep dark chocolate flavor. Ang sarap din ng maha blanca, ang dami ko nakain. At ang dami pang desserts na hindi ko na nakayang tikman. Sign na to para kumain ulit kami sa Guevara soon. Ang dami pang mga cakes, cupcakes, and brownies. Pero mas na-entice akong itry yung mga traditional Filipino desserts. They also have yema cake, brownies. Halo-halo lalagyan na lang ng shave ice and chocolate and vanilla soft serve ice cream. Fruit options are papaya, apples, and oranges. Drink options, merong gulaman juice, blue lemonade, orange, lychee lemonade, and soft drinks. They have coffee pero hindi nakasama sa buffet. They also have whole cakes na tinitinda separately. Guevara's buffet is a must-try. Affordable, quality, and masarap.